We will go over string method, some basic. Let's think about there's a string named ABC, has A through Z all lowercase. The length of the ABC, we are going to use the length method. It's different from array. It is a method, so you must write the parentheses. That's very important. So length will have, because we already know there are 26 alphabets, so len variable will have 26. Now let's think about the compareTo. The Java assigned uppercase A, then B, then C. So uppercase A has actually value 65, then B is 66, then starts. Then when lowercase a is assigned in number 97, lowercase b is 98. So whenever string codes compare two methods, they compare this ASCII code of each character. Then also it is checking one by one. So first it checks A and B first. So even though the first string has longer, does not matter. Compare first character only, then B is bigger, then B is bigger. So compare to A, B, C, D, that compare to B, C, D will return negative value. But it's not -1, just a negative number. Actually, it may do -1 because A and B is just 1 apart. But we do not know. We assume we do not know what number will be returned. Now let's see. ABC has A through Z is 1, then compared to ZYXWV. Z and A will be compared to first, then Z is bigger, so A will have a negative number, a negative integer. Then B, now A through Z, then A, B, C, D, F, G. Oh, it looks like exactly the same. In that case, B will get, compared to will return 0. Then ABC that compared to AAR. First, A is the same. So move on to the second character. Oh, B is bigger than A, so ABC is bigger. So C will have a positive integer. Then D. Uppercase is always smaller than lowercase. That means ABC is bigger. So D also will have a positive integer. Then ABC that compared to ABCDE. After E, ABC has F. Then this ABCDE has nothing. Something is bigger than nothing. So something is bigger than nothing. So ABC is bigger, so E will have a positive integer. Let's just see other useful methods too. There's equals method. We still have ABC with A through Z alphabet. Then ABC dot equals and ZY, we already know it's not equal, so F will have false. Then when ABC and A through Z, this string are really equals, G will have true, the Boolean value. charAt returns a character at index number 20. Index number always starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Oh, U has index 20. So H will have character U, lowercase. Then index of lowercase u is, we already know that it's 20. Index of returns index. So I will return 20. But string ABC does not have uppercase U. So J will have not 20. If you cannot find this uppercase U because Java is case sensitive, J will have -1. So index of returns -1 when the target is not there. Substring. There are two types of substring. If you have only one argument, that means 20 through the end. If you have two numbers, that means first number 2, second number, but second number is not inclusive. So we are going to start from U. We already know U is number 20, index 20. So first K will have U through the end. So U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then L will have only index 20 to 22. So 20, 21, 22, no 23. So only U, V, W. That's how to use a substring. Let's think about some questions here with a different one. ABC has now A, E, I, O, U, so length is 5. compareTo A, E, I, O, U, a second one has more, that means it returns a negative integer. Then equals will not return true, it is returning false. Character at index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So all will be returned. Index of U, index 4 will be returned, but of course U is not there, so negative 1 will be returned. Substring 2 means 2 through the end, so 0, 1, 2, IOU will be returned. 2 to 3 means 2 is inclusive, but 3 is not inclusive, so only I will be returned.